Today I am going to show a best website for learning about the software testing. Simply click on the link given below in the description. Here are a lot of tutorials available for software and CS students. Here you can see a long list of tutorials about the testing, live projects and performance testing, and this list goes on. Actually, this is the best free site you'll see for learning about the testing. Here you can see in the testing box on the top of list there is software testing. Let's see what we got in this. Here you can see it is a free course for you. Here they have sum up the training about the topic. And then they have described that who should take this course. Here is the list of all the topics that you are going to learn in this course. Let's say if we click on the first. There you go. Here you can see a textual form about this topic. If we scroll down we'll see that here is an embedded YouTube video about this topic. If you don't prefer to study this, you can also watch the video and can listen to the audio. Now let's go back to the home page to see what we got more in this site. Here you can find different live projects. You can join these by signing up. Here you got courses about the tools JMeter and HP Load Runner tools used for performance testing of software. Here down this you can see courses about SAP, that stands for Systems, Applications, and Products. SAP has the largest market share of all ERP systems and commands unparalleled premium in the ERP and IT market. These basic tutorials will introduce the SAP ERP, Business Suite, SAP modules, GUI and a process to become a SAP consultant. Next you see is defect tools. In this we got courses about the defect or bugs tracking tools. And down here is enterprise testing. And next you got big picture, that is artificial intelligence. Here at first is TensorFlow, that is an open source and the most popular deep learning library for research and production. Next is R, that is a programming language is widely used by data scientists in major corporations like Google, Airbnb, Facebook etc. for data analysis. And last one NLTK, that stands for Natural Language Toolkit. It is also known as natural language processing, that is manipulation or understanding text or speech by any software or machine. And next category is web, in which you got a good number of tutorials about programming languages, web technologies, scripting languages, different frameworks and some databases. And next you got test management, big data and some other courses. And this is the end of video. I hope you have enjoyed the visit of this site. If you need any help about these things told you above, you should visit this site and get help. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel for more informative videos. Thanks and stay safe and happy.